The extrusion force required to extrude an aluminum rod of cross-sectional area 150 mm square. So cross-sectional area is 150 mm square. We have to find the extrusion force to a cross-sectional area of 50 mm square. So they assume that the extrusion constant, which accounts for the flaw stress, state hardening, friction and inhomogeneous deformation, is equals to 2 MPa. The constant is given as 2 MPa. So this is basically a formula based question to calculate extrusion force, which is given by K into A naught into ln A naught upon AF. This is 2 into 10 to the power 6 nanometer square into 150 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square into ln 150 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square by 50 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square. By calculating, we will get 2 into 150 into 1.0986. It is equal to 330 Newton to the round of integer. So 330 is the answer for this question.